So I got something in the mail from Tony Kim, the owner of Heroes Within, which does some amazing licensed stuff. But I did not realize about Tony is he is an artist himself, so I had to get this hoodie, and you'll see in a minute here. He had a sample at Wondercon, and so of course I ordered the actual one, which feels like he signed. And so, check that out. Little Van Gogh TARDIS action here, and that's Tony's own design. So I'm like super excited. The only thing is it's kind of cropped, and I'm not sure I'm into cropped, but you know, that's life, right? Anyway, so what do you think? It's comfortable and pretty and not too cropped, thank goodness, you know, because gotta do my abs. Anyway, that's my unboxing.